friends, it is Running Kimono. I hope you're all doing great. So, this morning, to my shock and dismay, Walgreens is closed. Well, at least my location, which is really bizarre, but store's closed. Um, Not sure if they had to do some emergency cleaning, if some staff got sick, if somebody walked in there and coughed on everything and licked everything, and they have to like scrub it from the top to the bottom. I'm not sure. Um, I'm not staff yet, but the store's closed, so there's no shopping for me unless I drive to the next store, which is like an hour away. So it is kind of somewhat scary too. And I have a lot of friends who work at this location, so kind of hope they're okay as well and nobody's sick. But with that, this is kind of like some weird divine intervention. Dawn's Deals, who I'm subscribed to, I think she's a great lady. She's based out of Chicago, also in the Midwest, and she was saying like nothing was working whatsoever. She tried to do like a bunch of different deals, Walgreens Cash, that little Santa thing, coupons were not coming off, like just things were not working out for her. Dawn, if you're watching this, do you have a 24-hour store, yes or no, that you were at? That's the only thing I could think of, is that they didn't switch over, and probably at noontime it'll be fine. If I can find myself at a store later today or tomorrow, I'll absolutely post a video. But Dawn confirmed, and whenever she says something, she's usually right on the money, that it's not working. I will link her video in the notes if you want to check it out. But she tried everything, guys, other than twirling 17 times at the checkout. And like things were not working out. And it just seems like any Sunday with this new system, there's some big hiccups. Like last system wasn't that great, but this one, it's just not working out very well. So, guys, probably like Monday-ish, I'll have a video for you. I just don't want to have to call customer service today. I just don't think I have it in me. And to mess around with that, just like it's a big headache. But I was on the app and I did see some coupons that I think you should load, even if you're shopping later in the week. Be prepared. Load them right away. $9 off this Optic White Fanciness. It's some sort of whitening pen. Who knows? Maybe there will be a really big rebate in concert with this. This thing doesn't expire till January the 2nd. We have $1 off the Cottonelle, and as you can see, that's attaching to the $5.99 pack, dropping it down to $4.99 for something that's like $9.99 for one pack. That's some amazing savings, like 50% right there. Also, we have $1 off 4 single boxes of Kleenex. It's not that little pack for $5. It's like the single boxes for $1.99. Load it. Maybe we'll be able to figure out a deal with it. I mean, whenever we have a paper coupon or a coupon for paper products, we have to load that one. We have $1 off 3 packs of Poise. This expires on the 19th. So between now and maybe the 19th, we'll be able to figure out a deal. This is also part of the Fetch Rewards gallery. So you never know, it might flourish into something. And then we have a 50 cents off of the Colgate. I also found $1 yesterday, so I loaded both. So hopefully I can use both of them in concert with that Colgate deal for free toothpaste. We have $1 off the Listerine. This guy also expires on Jan 2nd. Why this one is of interest for me is I love Listerine. It's like the greatest, it feels like you're getting a spa treatment for your mouth. And then we have $1.50 for all. There's a lot more coupons if you guys want to like root through them and look and see what they have. But these are some pretty good ones that I found this morning, so I would load all of them before they disappear. And Bath and Body Works, today is the last day of their 3-day candle day sale. Candles in store only are $9.95. The original price point for these candles are like $24.50. That's almost 60% savings. So if you can find a warm winter coat and wait in line, they have been lineups that haven't been the greatest thing. I would go today. You know what I would try to do is figure out when your store is closing and go towards the end. And even if you get some candle that you're like, oh my gosh, I would never want to have like I don't know, I'm trying to think of a candle that wouldn't offend anyone. Some weird florally candle that you would never really like. Just say you hate florally candles. Um, I'm sure all of you love florally candles. Buy it. And then next week you can go back into the store, even if you don't have a receipt, and exchange it. They have the most awesome exchange policy there. So say you're even in a mad rush where you picked up 3 peppermint candles that you just do not like, or you brought it home and you smelt it and you're like, oh my gosh, I can't. This gives me a headache. bring it back. They will be so kind to say, hey, grab anything in this store and just do an even exchange. Even if you burn a candle, you can return it as well. So, today is the last day, so it is your choice. I would probably go towards closing and just like scoot in as one of the last customers, and hopefully they still have candles remaining. One thing that I did hear a manager say that when they run out of candles, the sale's over. So yeah, absolutely move on this deal if you are candle obsessed. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.